Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I just went out and got a couple more fish. The pump I got was wrong, so I have to return it tomorrow. But I'm gonna show you the fish and the new ornament I got. Mm, I you can see them. I got two new striped zebra striped tails, and they're feeding, and I acclimated them for 30 minutes. So they're nibbling away, enjoying their food. And that's my new peacock up there. It's eating away too. I guess they haven't ate yet tonight, and it's already 7 o'clock. So they're real hungry now. Oh, he's jumping up there. You see him diving like a little dolphin. Hi, I love him already, the little peacock. And did a little dive. Oh, he's so pretty. You might put him in a bigger tank when he gets bigger, but he's gonna stay in here for right now. Maybe these two zebra longtails, if they get bigger, I'll probably put them in another tank, but I'll probably always have some guppies in here and some neons or something. Maybe next month I'll get another guppy once I get my pup going. For right now, I'm just hoping and praying that all the new fish I got will make it. Let him dive. Go. Go, little peacock. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, they ate now and are happy. Oh, and I got a new little seashell because everybody's hiding behind all the plants. So hopefully, looks really beautiful, I think, and they won't hide as much. Ha ha. Aren't they cute? I love them. That little peacock with a dot there. Kind of has a purple. And then these are my neon tetras. Or glow tetras, I think they are. Neon tetras. But it looks really good, and I took out a little more water, and so it's got more bubble here for them. Yeah, I hope you enjoy them. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Yeah, love you out there. Oh, swordtail guppy, swim, You don't chase him too much now. I'm gonna feed him a little more. Seems kind of hungry. I'll put the camera down for a minute. I can't see anything. Sorry about that. Okay. I'll give them some more food so they'll be happy and won't tire each other out tonight. Be able to go to bed with a full stomach. I didn't really give them a full pinch anyway. I thought because they're smaller they wouldn't need as much. Yeah, they're still hungry. And I got this new background. Oh, it looks really pretty too. The rocks back there. Nice blue color. And they're still nibbling the new ones I got. Sword zebra long fins. And my little peacock there. With the dot on the back. And my little tetras. Another zebra. and swordtail guppy are eating too down here. So everybody's nibbling now. Get to see them in action and nibbling away. It was so cool to see the peacock diving, huh? Never see that again sometime, huh? Wow, look at that. Like these ones are the top feeders, I guess. And the more these like to feed a little lower. Nibble. I wish you could see them. They were a little bit bigger, so you could see them all at one time. Even if I zoom in a little bit and see them closer to the peacock. Where'd the little guppy go? This beautiful tail. That one's got some pretty colors too, blue and orange stripes. The peacock, really beautiful. My neon tetras here. Glow tetra. I hope you all enjoy. I'll try to do an update when I get my water pump put in. Hope you enjoy.